So the newer generation of doctors are going to be already equipped with these AI tools, and then, like I said, from severity, from the lowest severity all the way to the upper severity, largest severity, AI is gonna start assisting doctors in all of those sections. And I mean, of course, there's always a possibility that one day it may do all of it.
So with the remote medicine coming in picture, like during the COVID, there was a huge splurge of remote medicine because travel was banned and people, if they had very small issues, they had to video call the doctor and get the expert advice. Now let's say a case of a dermatology expert and somebody has got a rash or something like that of that sort, and they are right now sending image maybe on WhatsApp, maybe on Zoom call consultation, and they are taking medicine and they're getting this. I mean, there are a lot of startups who are into the telemedicine. How can AI come in? I mean, will AI come in and replace a doctor? Because a lot of doctors might be thinking, oh, okay, AI is eating up jobs of everyone. And we have, as doctors, they would have spent enough practical training and, study and experience over a period of years, and AI can learn things very quickly. So is in future AI going to change few things, or if it is going to take up few works, how can doctors make use of AI?
This is a question that a lot of people ask me. I think this is one of the most popular questions when someone starts talking about AI. But I think, so firstly, doctors who have a lot of experience, I don't think they need to be worried at all, right? Especially because today you will still trust a doctor with 30, 40, 20 years of experience rather than, an AI which released last year or even last week, right? So I don't think they have anything to worry about. So people who are just entering the industry, I think they have a bigger opportunity at hand because they're still fresh out of university and they have the time and the flexibility, I would say, to explore all of these AI assisted tools. Expecting that a lot of medical colleges and institutes are going to be including AI assisted healthcare in their curriculum. So doctors would be basically trained on that, and I mean, it could either improve their output because they have a lot of lab tests and all of that, right? Improve their output or help them graduate faster. I mean, it could be any of those, right? And so the newer generation of doctors are going to be already equipped with these AI tools, and then, like I said, from the lowest severity all the way to the upper severity, largest severity, AI is gonna start assisting doctors in all of those sections. And I mean, of course, there's always a possibility that one day it may do all of it, but the thing is, you still need someone monitoring it, managing it, and it has to be worth it to use AI. You have to manage the risk along with the benefit, right? So I think
whoever is going to learn AI and adapt AI into their practice is going to sustain for longer.
And exactly. I mean, that's how it's been always, right? I mean, same thing happened when cars came into the picture and people were, getting rid of horses before it was all horses, right? So we adapted. Maybe at that time it was a big deal, but 100 years from now, then everyone is okay with cars, right? There are not too many horse ranches breeding horses or taking care of horses. So I think people will naturally, start adopting AI in their day-to-day studies and life as a doctor. And of course, there's benefit for everyone, right? Because the biggest problem is in the healthcare industry, there's always a shortage, right? Even if you say that we need more doctors, the whole path of becoming a doctor is so hard and so complex across the world, right? And I mean, they're doing a really noble job, and I think that's why it's very intimidating. A lot of people also think that, can I do it? Because it is, at the end of the day, a very hard and complicated job, right? You need 5 years. Some countries you need 8 years, and then 8 more years, right? So you really have to be passionate about it if you want to do it. So that's why there's always a shortage. And if AI can fill that gap quicker, I think we really do need it, right? I mean, end of the day, it's about human lives. We cannot let things like insecurity and stuff put that at risk.